Welcome to the world of machine learning, where training and test datasets are the foundation of building intelligent models. In machine learning, datasets are split into two main types: training datasets for teaching the model and test datasets for evaluating its performance. Training datasets are used to teach the model about the problem. They are the raw material from which the model learns patterns and insights. Test datasets are crucial for unbiased evaluation. They contain unseen data, allowing us to assess how well the model generalizes to new information. The key is to balance these datasets. Too much training data can lead to overfitting, while too much testing data may leave the model undertrained. Preparing these datasets isn't always straightforward. Challenges include cleaning data, ensuring representativeness, and avoiding biases. As AI evolves, the management of training and test datasets is becoming more automated and intelligent, paving the way for more advanced models. Training and test datasets are more than just data, they are the building blocks for reliable and robust AI solutions. Subscribe for more magical AI adventures.